Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and just wanted to show you how you can make some holiday changes to the menu. It is fall. It's time for some pumpkin spice lattes, right? I love a good one. I'm not above that. A little basic, but I always get one, at least one every year. All right, so let's go into the menu, into the AI. Let's just start off with the pumpkin spice latte. All right, it's fall time. Let's add a pumpkin spice latte to the menu. Go ahead and do it right now. Give it a little bit of context. It's fall, and there we go. We can see it pop up. Now I'm gonna hit save here. And here on the point of sale, we'll see that pop up there as well. But we're gonna take this even further. Now that we've got the syrup, we really wanna get as much pumpkin spice out there as possible. So we wanna add it to every drink that people may wanna come in and order a latte. Hey, add that basic syrup, pumpkin spice to my latte. So I'm gonna use voice to text. So we have this pumpkin spice latte syrup. Can you add pumpkin spice syrup as an option to every menu item that you think works? And this is really cool. So editing the menu an item one at a time, of course, is great. But it's these big wholesale changes that would take so much work to add one modifier to multiple items. It's really powerful. I'm gonna say yes. Go ahead and proceed. And so now we'll see the AI look at every single menu item, decide whether hey, should I be adding syrup to this drink, right? For example, it shouldn't add it to espresso, but it will add it to a latte and a cappuccino. All right, there we go. We can see it added latte, cappuccino, anything that looks appropriate, right? Pumpkin spice already has it in there, so no need there. I'll hit save. And there we go. We are ready for fall. Let's check. There we go. Now we can add pumpkin spice syrup to the latte. Of course, we've got our pumpkin spice latte right there. We'll do one more thing. We gotta promote this, right? We gotta let the world know we're ready for fall, we're ready for pumpkin spice latte orders. Let's generate an Instagram image to put on our Instagram, let people know we're up to date and cool. Generate a promotional Instagram image to let people know about the pumpkin spice latte. You can get kind of out there and goofy. Also look at some of the images on my menu now to match our look and feel. All right, there we go. This is pretty good. It's got this little orange sweater. Love it. All right, cool. So that's some of the things that you can do with the AI. Of course, there's tons more. A lot of menu editing, a lot of reporting. Follow along. We'll get into some more details on what you can do with the AI and experiment and have some fun. Thanks a lot.